Hello everybody, my name's Stephen Lyon and I have 90 seconds to explain SafeSend One to you. SafeSend One is a software tool that provides automated recognition, assembly, and delivery to all deliverables across the entire tax process, giving your clients the ability to do organizers, upload documents, you to send tax returns, invoices, vouchers that the clients may owe on, and we wrap this up in an unrivaled client experience. Throughout the entire tax process, they have a similar look and feel, no passwords, no account creation necessary while still maintaining security, and we give them automated reminders for things like payments and stuff that they have throughout the year. So let's take a quick look at some of it. Okay, so starting with the gather process, if you want to gather things from your client, you can send an organizer, gather signatures on an engagement letter, or just gather source documents. You can upload that here and send a request. So on this firm side, you get to choose what you want, whether there is an engagement letter, custom questions that you want information on. And on the client side, we're going to go ahead and we're going to see the steps that they have to take. We're going to sign, answer that questionnaire, complete the organizer, and upload documents. On the return side, we're going to recognize that return and break it up into its action items, transmittals, returns, vouchers, e-file forms, etc. And on the client side, we're going to give them a very simple three-step process where they're going to review, sign, make payments, and they'll see an overview of their tax return. I think that's about 90 seconds. That's all I have for you folks today. Again, there's a lot more in the system. If you want to learn more, please visit us at SafeSend.com. We'll see you soon.